Hello, Letitia honey, apple cider honey, very good for your throat and cough and for bacteria. So I use Heinz vinegar, but I think there's a better version in the pharmacy for healthier consumption, but I've been using Heinz for the longest time, so I'm okay with it. And then this is honey from the jungle. I always get my supply from Cameron's. 2 tablespoons depending on how sweet you want it to be. For me, 2 tablespoons just nice, but maybe for you 3. But it's honey, so it should be okay. Then you pour water inside. Forget to use a straw to drink because apple cider erodes your teeth. See, that's why I got chip on my teeth. Put lots of ice inside. Stir, stir, stir. I like mine with a lot of ice. Here's got my ice. Enjoy!